I'm ready for a comfort food mashup. We're gonna mash up butter chicken with lasagna. A butter chicken lasagna. Let's do it. I have a prepared lasagna pan here and some butter chicken sauce. I'm gonna put a couple tablespoons of that sauce on the bottom. Grab a bowl. Let's start with some shredded rotisserie chicken with the rest of that butter chicken sauce and a container of cottage cheese. Let's give that a mix. Let's begin layering with some noodles. I'm just using those oven-ready noodles. 1/3 of that chicken mixture, a hearty portion of mozzarella cheese, and we'll repeat that 2 more times. Finish with the rest of that cheese. You can add a little garam masala sprinkled on the top. Let's cover that with some tin foil. I'm gonna bake this at 375 for 45 minutes. And then I'm gonna remove that tin foil and bake an additional 15 minutes. Allow it to sit for 10 minutes. Here we go. Butter chicken lasagna. It looks pretty great. And it tastes awesome. I love this. And it's gonna get a high score. I would give this a 9.1 out of 10. Woohoo! What's a sea monster's favorite snack? Fish and chips.